Hello everyone. So 35 days ago I started making these videos, and the reasons for which I started making these videos were that one, I wanted to document uh, or reflect on my daily actions and how I am thinking about my plans, my goals, and what emotions am I going through on a daily basis, and how am I working towards my long-term goals. uh, there was another reason also that I wanted to improve my communication skills, and I also wanted to bring an accountability structure for myself which should force me to work towards my goals in a better way. So in last 35 days I feel that this structure has really helped me a lot, because there is always a pressure on me, like on a daily basis, that I have to do something meaningful today so that I can put it up on the video. And second thing is, yes, that I have become very confident and like fluent enough to talk in front of camera without much thinking or pre-planning. uh, Apart from that, I had also shared almost 3 weeks ago that every Thursday I'll be putting videos about my long term goal, which is to start a low cost coaching center, which would not be just about giving academic knowledge to the students, but will also be about creating a space where students can explore their co curricular talents and can have experiential learning as well. So since then, I have been able to create a cultural fest Sangam with the help of my students, and along with that, students have been running community teaching where they support in the school where they teach students of ninth grade. So all these things have really given me a lot of confidence that the plan which I had in my mind, that my students would be running such a community center in the Jogeshwari area where they would be supporting all other students. I think that plan is workable, and my students are smart enough to manage such a project. So from today onwards, I have started working on this plan very seriously. And my first plan is to find a suitable place by November or December, and by January we should start running this community center in Jogeshwari, where students should be provided with quality education, uh, basically a coaching system kind of support. And apart from that, there should be multiple support structures as well, like creating spaces for co-curricular activities and helping students working on their personality development. Uh, and apart from that, of course, support to their spoken English as well. So let's see how I do in coming days. So I'll keep on sharing from now onwards on a regular basis. Thank you. See you tomorrow.